Well, in my last video I showed a crappy broken heater where the fan had come off, everything was loose. I talked about a broken old bathroom heater, which is this one. Well, so go and buy a new one. It's appropriate for the bathroom. This is the old one and it's burnt out yet again on the common. There's nothing really left to connect to anymore. So I've given up on this one, which is about 30 odd years old. It's been used a hell of a lot. I modified and put the guts of the new one into the old shell, because it's much better shell than the other one, which was all broken. There's the new fan, but I've used the old fan. Haven't given it a clean, I just put it there. It was a new motor, and yeah, wired it all up, so it should work nicely, hopefully. That's why I go buy another new piece of shit when you could make something out of an old and new piece of shit. So, see if it works. Oh, that looks pretty good. Now time to test it. So put it on high, put it over here, maybe a bit more over there. Plug it in, see what happens. It's working. Nothing's glowing red inside it. Smells like it's hot. It's hot. Interesting. It's nice and hot. Let's try it on low. Not so hot. Cool. Yeah. Works nice. And off. Make sure it's off properly, nothing glowing. Excellent. Always got to check these things thoroughly if you're not going to be the only one using it. Heat, that's nice. Oh, there we go, let's save $30 or something. I've given it a half-hour test run and all good. So, got a heater again in the bathroom. Magical. Well, I'm back at this transformer having a little look-see at it, and I've worked out my multimeter was having a little fit and needed a new battery. So now that's all happy again. It's telling me it's got 22 volts DC past rectifier and 16 volts AC going to the rectifier, if that makes sense. So, and then coming out of here it's a regulated 13.8. And when you got load on it, you get 20 volts at the rectifier. So, and still 16 volts AC. So yes, that's what this thing does. So I was incorrect in the last video when I said it was 240 volts there, which just didn't make sense because, as people pointed out, these would explode. So, new battery, retested, and it came up correct. So, still a bit high for what I'd like to use it for, because I was thinking of getting this transformer and putting it in my battery charger. But, yeah, this circuitry couldn't handle it, unfortunately. But I need 14 volts maximum, but this is giving me 22, so damn. So I have to say. This thing handles a 100 watt 12 volt globe nicely. very nicely. That doesn't get really warm. That's good.